Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new, you are most and highly welcome guys. And if you're a returnee, you're highly welcome. So how was your day and how is the week? Yeah, all right, so in today's video I just want to show you a simple remedy that would help you to lose those annoying fat hanging on your tummy without losing too much of your weight. Okay, now the thing is that you can actually lose your stomach fat without losing too much of weight. I'm not saying you're not going to lose at all. Definitely when you start taking belly fat drink, it's going to equally lose some weight for you. Okay, and I've actually been doing this. Yeah, it has been helping me. Now know that these things are natural. It doesn't just happen overnight, but you have to keep on taking it for at least a little while, and these things are very, very good for the body. It's also appear and make your skin look sparkling. Okay, let me show you this belly fat drink. Let's get into the video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe, share, and let's go. So here is one amazing way to lose some belly fat without losing too much of your weight. Yeah, there's a bit of trick in this, and this is actually going to help so much for your skin. Okay, so the first ingredient we're going to be using for this is pear. This is not avocado because I've actually used pear before, and some of you guys were saying, okay, pear has seed and all of that. This is not avocado, this is pear. Okay, so we're going to do now, we're going to be washing it because it's ideal that we'll actually sanitize all of the things we're going to be putting it into our mouth. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be cutting the pear, and this is actually the only seed that this particular pear has. Okay, so let's prepare it and remove some fat without removing too much of your weight. Yeah, okay, so after that, so now we're going to be turning it into a blender. Now when blending pear, you would have to put in a little water because pear doesn't actually contain too much of water. Okay, okay guys, so for some people you can actually take the pear with the fiber. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is to sieve this out. Now sieving this out is completely optional. You can actually just blend your pear and take it that way without even sieving it out. So for this belly fat reduction remedy, we're also going to be needing apple. Okay, now apple is actually very beneficial for the body, guys. It helps so much in terms of weight loss. It helps to keep your body metabolism really active, and it also helps in flushing out toxins if you actually mix it up with some other ingredients. Okay, so what we'll do here is to cut the apple in pieces, and then we'll equally blend it. Okay, now for this particular one, I'm actually blending them separately so you can actually get all of the ingredients that I'm using. Okay, and it's actually better for me in blending them separately. Okay, so we blend. Okay, so here we have our apple juice, and now we're going to be turning that into a sieve, and then we're going to sieve it all out. And here is our apple juice. We're equally going to be needing some lemon. Okay, for this ingredient, lemon is actually very needed and very important here. Okay, since I have a half cut of lemon here, this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to be removing all of the seed. And then I'll squeeze the lemon juice out into a bowl. Now here I have my lemon juice. Now the next amazing ingredient that we actually need so much is cucumber. Now when it comes to weight loss, cucumber is very needed, and it's also very important, yeah, because it aids so much for weight loss. It helps in cleansing the body, and it's also ideal for the skin. Okay, now when you take cucumber internally, it helps so much for your skin. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to be blending the cucumber. Then we'll transfer that into a bowl. Okay, so for the cucumber, we actually do not need to put in external water because the cucumber contains a whole lot of juice, yeah. So we're equally going to be sieving that out. Okay, now just like I said initially, sieving this out is completely optional, but it is ideal for you to sieve it out. But if you don't want, you can actually drink everything plus the fiber it's actually going to help to fill you up. So here we have the cucumber juice, and then also we're going to be needing some pineapple. This is actually very healthy. Okay, so we're gonna be cutting a little piece of the pineapple. I will have to rinse it. Okay, transfer it into a blender. Put just a little water. I will blend. And now we're sieving the juice out. Okay, so this is the pineapple juice, and here we have the cucumber, lemon, this is apple, and this is pear. So this is our 5 different fruits, which is going to aid for your belly fat. So I'm going to be grabbing a cup, and then I'll turn the pear, the apple, the lemon, the pineapple, and the cucumber. Now after turning them in, then you give it a little stir. And then your belly fat drink is ready. This is amazing. This is beautiful. This is actually going to help to remove your belly fat without reducing too much of those general body fat. Now it depending on how you drink it, guys. If you're dedicated in drinking it like every morning and every evening, it's going to wash you down a whole lot. Now let me have a take of this beautiful fruit. This is amazing. This is really nice. It's tasty. It tastes really good, guys, and it is so ideal for the body. Now the good thing about this is that when you're using it, it's actually going to reflect on your skin. It's actually going to equally make your skin look really beautiful. Okay guys, so that is it. It is so amazing, wonderful, effective, and it tastes really great. Okay, so you can actually give this a try and just give it a little time for it to work out, because it will definitely, you know, work out for you. All right, just like it has been helping me. Now know that it's going to take a little time, but you have to, you know, continue using it, and you are going to be losing those annoying hanging fats. I will actually stand up, but now I'm actually wearing something. Can you see? I don't know if you can see me. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you did enjoy watching this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye guys, love ya.